So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can hide or unhide or turn off the notes on Instagram. So there are only two steps. The very first step is you have to first of all open up the App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it. And after that, you have to tap on this update button for updating your Instagram application, because if your Instagram app is not up to date, you will see different options from me. So after updating Instagram, the final step is you have to open up your Instagram application and go to your message section. And for example, I want to hide this note appearing up here. You just have to tap and hold on it and tap on mute notes. So in this way, it will ask you for a confirmation. You have to tap on mute notes again, and that note will now be hidden. And now if you want to unhide that note, you have to open up the profile of that person, tap on the following button and tap on mute. And here you can see that the notes of this person have been muted. So simply toggle off the notes button and its notes will again start displaying in your inbox. So that's how you hide or unhide the notes on Instagram. Thank you so much.